This video explains how to modify the diagonal, lower and upper triangular part of a matrix using the R programming language. So without too much talk, let's dive into the R code. In this video I will show you an example, and for this example we first need to create an example matrix, as you can see in line 2 of the code. So after running this line of code, a new matrix object is appearing at the top right, which is called mymat. And we can print this matrix to the RStudio console by running line 3 of the code. And then you can see at the bottom that our matrix contains 4 rows and 4 columns. And each of the cells of this matrix contains a value ranging from 1 to 16. So let's assume that we want to modify the lower triangular part of this matrix. Then we can use the lower.tri function, as you can see in line 6 of the code. However, first I'm duplicating our data because I want to keep an original version of our matrix, as you can see in line 5 of the code. So after running this line of code, a new duplicate of our matrix is appearing at the top right, which is called mymat new1. And then in line 6 of the code, I'm applying the lower.tri function to our matrix, and I'm assigning the value 0 to each value in the lower triangular part of our matrix. So after running line 6 of the code, our matrix is updated, as you can see by printing our matrix to the RStudio console. And now you can see that each value in the lower part of our matrix is equal to 0. Similar to that, we can also modify the upper triangular part of our matrix using the upper.tr function, as you can see in line 10 of the code. So once again, I'm creating a duplicate of our matrix, as you can see in line 9 of the code. And then I'm applying the upper.tr function to this matrix. And this time I'm assigning to these values a range from 101 to 106. So after running line 10 of the code, our matrix is updated once again. And we can see that by printing the matrix once again to the RStudio console. So after running line 11 of the code, our matrix is shown at the bottom, and you can see that our upper part of the matrix has been changed to a range from 101 to 106. We can also change the diagonal of our matrix using the diag function, as you can see in line 14 of the code. So once again, I'm first creating a duplicate of our data by running line 13 of the code, and then I'm applying the diag function to our matrix, and this time I'm assigning NA values to the diagonal of our matrix. So after running line 14 of the code, all the values in the diagonal are replaced by NA. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video, so you can find it there. If you have liked this video, or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel, and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.